that I could look in your eyes and know that your soul wasn't hidden by a big disguise. Darkness came, it tried to steal you away. I'm trying to fight this battle from afar, and I need you now more than ever. Got a blessing coming, can't you see? Blindness is taking over everything. Darkness, it tries to creep in now. Baby, open up your eyes, open up your eyes. Look at all the lies that come in disguise. I need you now, I need you now. Won't you come take a look at the truth? All I wanna do is be held up inside this booth with you. Baby, wanna go around the world with you, speaking all the heavenly truths, but I can't force you to see this way. I can't force you to get through the gray and to be in the light. Only God can renew your sight. I'm asking for you now, asking for you now, to drop down to your knees, to give up all your pride, put it all aside, 'cause your health is important, and you know that I love you. I don't know how to make it through this time, but I will stand strong for us now, and I'll be waiting for you when you are sober and healed. I've been trying to see what it is that you wanted from me, but I know that I must be healed. Then the truth can be on tables and revealed. Baby, I don't know. This is hard, and my heart is breaking down. In this place that I miss our old town. Sometimes going drives in the night, trying to forget all the things from my past, but baby, it's hard. I can't go that far on my own now. And the blood of the Lamb is the only way, could make it through the light and through the gray. Help me now, help me now.